Hi, my name's Dr. Greg Cameron. I'm an occupational health doctor with over 20 years' experience. My main focus is treating occupational injuries and workplace rehabilitation. As an injury management consultant, I review patients with workplace injuries and work closely with their treating doctors, employers, insurance company, allied health professionals to ensure they get the right treatment and successfully return to work. What I enjoy most about working in occupational medicine and being an IMC is that I see people from all walks of life with a variety of injuries and use my expertise and experience to get the best possible treatment. Most people have never had a work injury before, and navigating through this process can be very daunting. Working in occupational medicine has given me the opportunity to work with people from a variety of industries, from transport, teaching, manufacturing, emergency services, to name a few. I find I'm learning something new every day about the challenges facing these industries, which is very satisfying. When I first meet a worker, it's really important for them to understand I'm not an insurance doctor. I'm an experienced independent doctor who wants to work with their treating practitioners, employer and insurer. I believe I provide a fair, honest and balanced assessment of their work injuries and their capacity to work. As an injury management consultant, I think it's important to remember that I'm dealing with a person, not just with a back or a spinal injury, to provide evidence-based treatment opinions and to educate all stakeholders, not just on the injury, but on how the system functions. Most people are unaware of their rights and responsibilities, and for treating practitioners, the legislation changes often. I can play a valuable role in helping all parties navigate through this.